Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make easy beaded friendship bracelets. The things you'll need to make a bracelet are any beads of your choice and a piece of string or elastic. Today I'll be showing you how to do this with string, but you can of course use any string, thread, or elastic you want. I'm going to be making a pink and red bracelet for Valentine's Day, but you can of course use any colors you want. First, you're just going to take a bead and thread it through the string or elastic. Keep doing this until you have as many beads on the bracelet as you wish. I am also taking this heart bead for the Valentine's Day theme and just threading it into the middle of my bracelet. Next, I am using these connectors to close the bracelet, but you can just simply tie a double or triple knot. After that, we are going to cut off the extra string as long or as short as you like it. And now you're all done making your new beaded bracelet.